Hey everyone, Eric with IFP Connect, and today's Tech Tip Tuesday is on our rack-mounted PDU. We've got a couple questions on this, so just want to give you guys a quick little couple-minute tech tip on it. So our rack mount PDU, it's exactly 1U. It comes with rack ears, power supply, everything. A couple things we love about this product is that all of the power connectors are removable. So if at any point you need to move the device in the rack, you want to install the Phoenix connectors before the device, you can go ahead and do that, okay? It is a 120 volt device, standard power cord, mechanical power switch on the back. All of your status lights for everything is on the front, so you can see exactly how things are doing. Again, this can mount on the front or the back of the rack based on personal preference. Now, we refer to this as a 16+2 PDU. Now, what that means as a 16+2 power distribution unit is there are 16 low current outputs. That means with those 16 outputs, we can either support 1 port or 4 port in-wall transceivers, up to 16 of them. Okay? The other 2 outputs, outputs 17 and 18, those are for your rack mount network switch. Okay? So think of it that basically you can take this, mount it in the rack, put an 8-port fiber switch above, an 8-port fiber switch below, and now you have up to 16 drops in 3 rack units and up to an equivalent of 64 actual RJ45s, right? Because we're getting 4 per wall plate. So any questions, give us a call, let us know how we can help you, but that's our rack mount PDU, and happy installing. Thank you.